Hi, I'm Christy Neidhart. Welcome to 620 Laurel Drive, waterfront here on the Magothy River. We're starting off in the master bedroom, so a little bit different. Can't wait to take you on a tour. Let's head out. Vaulted ceilings, wall of windows, the master suite. Soaking tub, separate shower, double sinks, large walk-in closet. Look at this view. Could wake up to this every morning. Through to another bedroom with water views. Third bedroom with large closet. Hall bath with vaulted ceilings. Come back to the fourth bedroom, windows letting lots of light. Look at these great hardwood floors. Hi, Parker. Open floor plan. Recessed lighting throughout. And look at that kitchen island, perfect for entertaining. Stone fireplace. Granite countertops. Flow through into the sunroom overlooking the water, the dock, the half bath and laundry. Flow through into the dining room. Parker does not come with the house. We hope you've enjoyed this tour. For more information on this home, visit us at www.kn-team.com or call us at 410-599-1370. Parker says, welcome home.